Hi everybody, it's Debbie. I'm back again with another journal. This journal is for us. My husband told me that he has got the engine on our boat fixed and the boat's going back in the water this year. So this is pretty exciting because it hasn't been in the water for a while. So when he's told me that, I said, okay, I'm gonna make a journal. So now when the kids come down and the grandkids come down and we take them out and we go fishing, or we go to the point and set anchor and then swim off the back, we can have somewhere that I want everybody to write in. So the grandkids and at the end of the season, going through the book and reading what everybody's going to write in it is, to me, going to be amazing. So I'm really looking forward to that part of having the boat back in the water. I'm going to have to find a plastic airtight container to store it in because of the humidity and being on the water, and I'll probably store it in the cabin, probably in the bedroom on the shelf somewhere, at the front of the boat, whatever. Anyway, somewhere where it's gonna be kept safe. So this is a cardboard. I just used cardboard. I have held it together, the spine and both front and the back sides, with cardstock, and then I decoupaged tissue paper on it, and then I did layering, lots of layering, and added lace, and then there's some more on the back, swim like a mermaid, and some more lace. I have eyelets and seam binding. There's a sailboat there. Our boat is not a sailboat, it's a cabin cruiser, so but it's all part of boating. But I just love this image. So I've used images from mostly Ivy Shutters, her Making Waves kit, and Song of the Sea. I loved both of them, and they both work really well together, so they're both used in here. I've also used Deli Girl Creations, some of her vintage Seaside kit, the tags and envelope and whatnot. So I have a chunky charm, and there's a wooden red anchor here. I have a lot of really cool, like here's a seahorse, there's an anchor. Of course the unicorn doesn't fit, but I thought it went well with this. My angel, here's a fish. So anyway, lots of chunky charms on here. Okay, so it has 3 signatures. It's 7.5 by 6. It's got a 2-inch spine. There's 27 sheets, which gives you 108 pages. But that all doesn't include, then there's also bags and envelopes and a couple doilies in there as well. So there's a pocket on the front page. This is from Deli Girl. I also have some tags that I had from a paper pad. And this is a little booklet that I made a while ago with some eco dyed papers that I had done. So that can be journaled in. Aren't these awesome? So these, I guess I'm not a scrapbooker, but I guess these are called Project Life cards. I'm not sure. But anyway, they have a lot of pretty cool beach themed things. This is from Deli Girl as well. And I love one of the dollar store cookie sheets that I have gives me this when I dye the papers. These are all dyed a blue turquoise tinge, and this envelope here I got from Patty, I think Treasures by Patty. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to put it up on the screen. I can't remember. But Patty, I watched one of her videos and she did something similar to this. So I thought it was pretty cool. So I used it. This is one of those paper pads that comes with magnets that you put on your fridge for grocery list. But I liked that, so I said I'm using it in here. And a postcard. And this bag has journaling spots. This is another mini booklet here. Cute. Okay, I'll put that in upside down. That's a mini booklet, that one as well. So this is the center of the signature, and I have these bags that I got from J9 Scraps. All my little glassine bags, coin envelopes and whatnot, they come from Janine at J9 Scraps. And love this. And this folds down and goes forever. And this is an envelope with a mini booklet inside. Ugh. So yeah, I took the bag apart and then sewed the signature and then glued the bag back together, just so that you don't see the strings. Time wasted at the beach is time well spent. We dock our boat down Lake Erie, so there's lots of sandbars, lots of beach area. And here's a hidden paper clip. I just took a tag and folded that back, and a spot for journaling paper. And the second signature. A lot of it's the same. Love this. This is from Song of the Sea. I think the grandkids will have fun journaling on all the hidden spots. This is the center of this second signature, and this is an envelope from Deli Girl, and I used that to hide the strings in there, and then just put some spare journaling paper in there. And the last signature. And this is the center of the signature, and this is a smaller envelope, but I was still able to fit it in where the stitching was. And then this is handmade by Debbie and digital images from Ivy Shutters, and I do have another one for Cheryl's. This is another envelope from Lori's kit. And another one of these tuck envelope spots or pockets from Patty. And then this pocket here is from Cheryl, so I have the same handmade by me digital images from Deli Girl Creations. So this is our new journal for the boat, and I can't wait to get the boat in the water and for everybody to start documenting about their day and their time on the boat and the kind of fun the family has when we all get together on it. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and we will talk to you soon. Bye.